If you are on Zazzle and struggling to make sales or planning to start on this platform, you need to pay close attention because this is crucial for your success. We all hope to make money when starting an income generating activity. However, beyond the obvious financial motivation, selling the majority of your designs on Zazzle is essential for two key reasons if you are serious about making money on this platform. The first reason is to save time and effort. Unlike other platforms, Zazzle hides your designs from the marketplace if they didn't sell within a year. This means you will have to go back, fix them, and relist them. A huge waste of time if you have uploaded numerous unsold designs. Instead of letting your designs fade into obscurity, it is better to actively market them as soon as they are created and keep promoting them year-round to make that sale. The second reason is to rank higher and gain visibility. Zazzle is a marketplace, as we know, and designed to make money for themselves, and it prioritizes products that have proven sales. The algorithm favors designs that sells, ranking them higher on search results. While ranking on the first page doesn't always guarantee consistent sales, it significantly increases your chance of getting found by right customers. The key takeaway here is selling your designs is essential for long-term success. Ranking on Zazzle first page determines by two things. Let me take you to Zazzle and show you from my experience these two factors that guarantee you spots on the first page. If you have been following me, you might remember when I created this design and I showed you step-by-step process in this channel. Because it sold, now it ranks on the first page after a year. Not only it is visible, but it appears in 3 different areas as you can see on the first page. That, my friends, is a jackpot. That will increase your chances of attracting potential customers. Another way to rank on the first page is by strategically niching down and using the right keywords. For instance, in this baby shower category, as you can see, if you just use baby in bloom, it has a lot of products listed already in this platform. But one of my recently added products appeared on the first page because I use relevant keywords and position it around a popular theme, but with a little bit niching down. What does that mean? If you are in a low competition niche, good SEO helps. So it will help you to rank in the first page. But without sales, your product will remain invisible if you are not pushing it to make sales. So how do you actually get your product to sell? There are a few critical things you must understand. Otherwise, you're just spinning your wheels and wasting your time. So let's get into it and show you some of the things that hinders you from making sales on Zazzle. The number one reason that hinders you from selling on Zazzle is not understanding how the platform works. Many failures stem from a lack of understanding of the platform. We choose to do business on this platform. It's our responsibility to understand the marketplace. Every marketplace has a unique feature and customers' expectations. But before diving in, we need to understand Zazzle's marketplace and audience to make sales successfully. Unlike other platforms, Zazzle specializes in real-time customization, allowing customers to personalize products. This is their primary focus, and sellers must adapt their approach accordingly. Using insights from SimilarWeb, we can gain a better understanding of Zazzle's traffic and how it affected our strategy. So there are some key takeaways that we need to consider from the data that is provided from this similar web, and it will help us if we adopt and understand them. Zazzle is a marketplace for personalized products. As you can see in this image, Zazzle focuses on personalized gifts, custom products, and instant downloads. What that means is for you. Ensure your designs allow for easy customization and consider offering instant download, as they might be a growing trend on Zazzle. Not only that, you'll make more money by selling instant downloads. If you don't know, now you know. The next data that we can find from this similar web is users engagement metric from similar web indicates that average visit duration is 4 minutes 30 seconds. This indicates that users are engaged browsing and customizing items before purchasing. If your designs are optimized, visitors will likely spend time personalizing and adding them to their cart. The other metric that we can see is pages per visit. Customers spend 5.29%. That means visitors browse multiple products before making a purchase. So you can increase engagement by linking related products, like creating collections and using cross promotions. Zazzle also have that opportunity available in their marketplace, so you have to use it for your advantage. The next metric that we can see from this data is bounce rate. A moderate bounce rate suggests that some users engage with multiple pages, but as others leave quickly. High bounce rate, which is above 70%, indicates poor engagement, possibly due to slow loading page, irrelevant search result, or unappealing designs. To lower your bounce rate, optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions. Ensure your tags and designs preview are high quality. It's also set competitive price so that people don't leave as they come to your page. The next reason that hinders you from making money on Zazzle is not knowing your buyers and their needs. So understanding your audience is very, very crucial. According to similar webs again, most of Zazzle audience came from the United States, which contributes 80.36% of traffic in December 2024. This insight is critical. It tells us where our customers are located, their interest, and their purchasing behavior. If you don't understand who is buying and why they are buying, your design won't connect with the right customers. Every life event, wedding, birthday, graduation is celebrated with a theme in this culture. When I first started, I didn't realize this, and as a result, I wasn't creating products that meet real customers' need. So I was not able to sell for the long term. Tweaking on my research and understanding the themes and the styles for different occasions, I was able to guarantee sales on this platform. So look at what's already selling and add your creative twist on it. The third reason is not researching and validating ideas. So you need to avoid guesswork. Randomly creating designs and hoping they sell is a waste of time. I used to do this until I learned proper research methods. If you don't validate demand, you risk making products that no one is searching for. I tell you this from my experience. So if you don't want to waste your time, please take a time to research first to understand what customers are looking for. So this is my process. If you want to copy, you can copy them. First, I came up with my product idea. Then I go to SEMrush, which is a tool you can just search on Google and find this. They will allow you to search until 10 keywords per day. and I see if there is a demand, and looks other designs on other marketplace like Etsy if it is popular, and analyze, go to Zazzle and analyze the search result for low competition keywords, and I study first page listings, what kind of products are appearing in there. Then I create a unique optimized design and list it and hope for the best. And my friend, I was able to make sales by doing this. So if you are struggling with this, the solution will be use search, Zazzle search, Google Trend, and Pinterest to find trending ideas before you start designing. And follow my step if you want. The fourth reason that is hindering you from making sales on Zazzle is poor SEO and keyword optimization. Oh, I will tell you this. SEO is king when it comes to selling your products on Zazzle. SEO matters. You can have the best design, but if your SEO is poor, no one will find it. Zazzle, like Google, is a search engine, meaning if you don't use the right keyword in your titles, tags, and descriptions, your product won't appear in the search result. So best your SEO practice for Zazzle is think like a buyer. Use words they would search for. Be specific. Like, for example, rustic wedding invitation instead of just saying wedding invitation. And use also some long tail keyword. That means floral, spring, baby shower. And Zazzle will attach the product type. You don't have to write like thank you card or something to attract targeted customers. So by implementing this strategy, you will improve your visibility and increase your chance of making sales on Zazzle. The fifth reason that is hindering you from not making sales on Zazzle is not knowing when to create what. Timing is everything. I used to wait until December to create my Christmas designs and couldn't figure out why I wasn't making sales. The truth is, buyers shop months in advance for events like weddings, holidays, and back to school. So my solution was I plan ahead, aim to create seasonal products 3 to 6 months before peak shopping times so they have enough time to rank and catch the attentions of right buyers. I am still struggling on some of the things because some of like rooted in my culture, so I have to educate. The sixth reason that is hindering you from not making sales on Zazzle is lack of marketing and promotional skills. As we all know, Zazzle brings in customers. They do Google ads and other means of advertising. But relying solely on Zazzle marketplace limits your potential. The most successful sellers actively promote their products on platforms like Pinterest, blogs, and social media. If you are not marketing your products, you are missing out on some opportunities. Let's take a look at the data from SimilarWeb again for this December 2024. This gives us key insight into where Zazzle social traffic is coming from, and we can demonstrate that to our store. So the key insight that is provided in this data is Pinterest dominates 66.50% of the over 2/3 of Zazzle social traffic comes from Pinterest, which is a visual platform that aligns perfectly with Zazzle products like invitation and wall art. So what can we do? We need to prioritize Pinterest marketing and use SEO optimized pins and idea pins to get noticed. The second is YouTube. YouTube brings 12.32% and Facebook brings 10.29% traffic to the Zazzle marketplace. So these platforms still bring in significant share of traffic. YouTube is likely a go-to for people searching for Zazzle tutorials or product showcase. And Facebook is still relevant for groups and business pages. So what can we do? We need to consider creating YouTube content that showcase your Zazzle product or offer helpful tutorials. The other platform is Reddit. Reddit is, it's a platform for discussion, and it brings 5.71%. And Instagram, not so much, 1.97%. So interestingly, Reddit drives more traffic than Instagram. People are discussing Zazzle on forums, while Instagram, despite being visual, bring in less traffic. There might be other reasons, I don't know why. But what can we do? Instagram isn't the top platform for Zazzle according to this data, so focus more on Pinterest and YouTube. Overall, social traffic is only 3.31% of total website traffic for Zazzle. That means even though Pinterest lists in social traffic, social media only contributes 3.31% of Zazzle total traffic. So most visitors are likely coming from search engines or direct visits. So what does that mean for us? SEO should remain to your top priority. Optimize your Zazzle listing for search visibility. So in summary, the Pinterest is your best bet. Invest time in consistent pinning with keyword-rich description and high-quality images. YouTube can be a powerful traffic driver. Create product showcase videos or tutorials. Focus less on Instagram and prioritize platforms that work best. SEO should remain your number one focus, as social media only account for a small percentage of traffic to Zazzle. So what do we do? Leverage Pinterest, write blog posts about your products, and create shareable content that attract buyers. So also consider Zazzle affiliate program. Here is how it works. You find products that fit your niche, promote them with your Zazzle referral link, earn a commission when someone buys through your links. This creates a win-win, and we promote each and grow together. So you need to another resource that you can use is you can join Facebook groups. So join the Zazzle Circle group that I have created. It's called Zazzle Creator Circle. We are now currently small, only 3 members, but it's a great opportunity to be part of something from the ground up. So let's build something powerful together and cross-promote each other's work. I will leave the link below. So I'm going to give you now the final bonus point, which is that will hinder you from making sales is weak or unoriginal designs. At the end of the day, if your designs are uninspired or look like everyone else, they won't sell. Zazzle is competitive, and our products need to stand out while still being trendy and appealing. So the solution is we need to study what is selling, improve your design skills, and create products that are not only on trend, but also add your unique twist. So which of these mistakes you have been making? Let me know in the comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. So making money on Zazzle isn't just about uploading designs and waiting for sales. To succeed, you must understand how the platform works, know your buyers and what they need, research and validate ideas before designing, optimize your SEO and keywords for visibility, know when to create what, develop your marketing skills, and always strive to create the best design you could buy. By following these steps, you'll set yourself up for long-term success on Zazzle. Now, go apply these strategies and start making sales. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found valuable value in this content. If you want to learn more,